Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sounds and Haptics. This is where iPhone centralizes notification audio. Once done, scroll to notification categories like text tone, new mail, or other app-specific sounds, so you change precisely what you need. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus is off while testing, because muted states hide results. You're now positioned to pick tones, import audio, or assign per contact alerts. Keep the device unlocked and volume set to a normal listening level before continuing. Next, choose a built-in tone or add a custom sound. If you want custom audio, use GarageBand to import an MP3, trim to 30 seconds, export as a ringtone, then assign it under Sounds and Haptics. Alternatively, add audio to files and convert via GarageBand or iTunes on a computer. Once the tone appears in the ringtones list, tap it to preview. Then assign it to the specific notification category or contact, so the system uses the new file for that alert type. Finish by testing a real notification. Send a message or trigger the app. If you don't hear the new sound, make sure Focus and Do Not Disturb are off, volume and silence switch are correct, and the app's own notification permissions allow sound. If a custom tone fails, re-import it via GarageBand or reconnect to iTunes and sync again. Restart the iPhone as a simple reset. If problems persist, remove and reassign the tone to force the system to refresh its audio mapping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.